Now we're going to look at lower extremity bones. This bone is the femur. This is the longest and largest bone in our body. This is the proximal head, distal head. Guys, on the head here, you can see we have a depression. We call that fovea. This is the neck. The neck of femur is made up of spongy bone. This is why when people get old, they can get fracture in their femur. Now, femur has two large bumps. We call this greater trochanter. We call this lesser trochanter. Make sure you don't call these tubercle. Let me show you something. Femur is in the lower extremity. The greater tubercle and lesser tubercle were on humerus. In the femur, we call it trochanter. Students do confuse them, so make sure you don't do that. Greater trochanter, lesser trochanter. Now we're going to look at the distal head. In the distal head, we have these condyles. This is the lateral side, so we call it lateral condyle. This is the medial side, so we call it medial condyle. If you look from the back, medial condyle, lateral condyle. At the middle of them here, you guys see this? We call this intercondylar fossa. Remember, inter means in between. Okay? We have lateral and medial epicondyle as well, and that's going to be on the sides on top. This is the medial side, medial condyle, medial epicondyle. Lateral condyle, lateral epicondyle. And this is your femur.